So just like we don't accept titles like Reform Jews, there are no Reform Jews. There is Reform Judaism that some Jews practice. But no Jew is Reform. And there is no Orthodox Jew. I don't know what that means. Something in your DNA makes you Orthodox? You're Jewish, and you're practicing orthodoxly. But don't give people titles. Don't do that. A Jew is a Jew. Now, how you go about that, well, there are many options. But don't become anything other than a Jew. So we don't accept titles, right? We don't categorize Jews or people. And that's why Judaism is so important. Not as a religion. Judaism is not a religion. There are religions that branched out of Judaism, but Judaism itself was never a religion. Because religion means what you need from God. Right? You want to get to heaven? Behave yourself. You want to be saved from Satan? Behave yourself. Don't want to go to hell? Behave yourself. Judaism is not what God can do for us. Judaism is what we can do for him. What can we do for him? Bring him into this world so that this world becomes his kind of world, a godly world. So we're serving him. We're not trying to get to heaven. That's very different, isn't it? So if you think you're going to go to heaven and that's going to be better, then you're no good. You're no good for this world. The devotion should be, stay here, don't go anywhere. There is no better place. Heaven is not better. It's easier. It's not better. Better is to be here, serving him, doing for him what he needs done. That's not a religion. That is simply a necessary awareness because human beings cannot survive if they think they're not necessary. Are we necessary? We didn't ask to be born. We don't even need to be born, and yet we're here. What does that tell you? That you are necessary to someone, not to yourself. That is so liberating. That gets you past your ego, gets you past all your problems. You have problems? No, you don't. You don't even need to be here. Don't take yourself so seriously. You don't ask to be here. You don't need to be here. None of your needs are yours. You were created this way. Who needs you this way? That's Judaism. Judaism says, this is what God needs from you. Will he get you to heaven? Who cares? You're needed. Now try to be loved. Try to be a little lovable. But you are absolutely necessary. And that's why the community is so open. We're all necessary equally. So what are we playing these games? I belong to this community. This is the synagogue I never attend. What is that? It's totally unnecessary. So if we could all get this one thought, no religion, just do God a favor whenever you can. How many favors? 613. So you got a big choice. Pick a mitzvah, light a Shabbos candle before Shabbos. Give some charity every week, every day. Why? You don't need it. Your Creator needs it. That is really liberating and psychologically healthy. Besides the fact that it makes God happy. That's our message. That's why we're open. That's why you're welcome. And that's hopefully what you're going to see in the rest of the tour.
גם יחד, הנה מה טוב ומעניין, שבט אחים, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, ועל כולם. Here we go. עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, ועל כולם. סלאם עלינו ועל כל העולם. סלאם, סלאם, סלאם עלינו ועל כל העולם. סלאם, סלאם. עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו, עוד יבוא שלום עלינו. סלאם עלינו ועל כל העולם. סלאם, סלאם. Salam, salam, salam.